Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we're going to be touring this absolutely gorgeous barn conversion home. I am so excited to show this one to you. It is full of character, wood beams, stone walls. You think everything you can think of. So welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Ryan Megson. I'm a local realtor here in Orillia and the surrounding areas. Today we're in Severn, which is just about 10 to 15 minutes outside of Orillia. This is a stunning barn conversion home. If you're excited about the content I'm putting out, please hit subscribe, ding the little bell so that you get notified of any new content coming out. I'm excited to show this home to you today. So before we head inside, I do want to point out a couple things while we're out here. One, you've got this huge circular driveway as you enter. Absolute showpiece for anyone that's visiting. Beautiful entryway. You're sitting on just over 3.8 acres. You've got not only a converted barn home, which is an absolute statement from the street, you've also got another barn with its own driveway that could be converted into a workspace. We'll show you that later. Sprawling lot all the way to the back, beautifully manicured throughout, all grass in behind. Kids will love running around back there. Steel roof. You've also got a double garage, which is very, very deep. You could probably fit 3 or 4 cars in there. Come on inside. So welcome inside, guys. Check out this stunning barndominium. We are in the foyer currently. We have limestone tile flooring, beautiful reclaimed wood beams, wood burning fireplace, sub-zero wine fridge, and your 2-piece powder bathroom right as you enter. This place is gorgeous. Check out the stonework. So from your foyer, you have access to your 2-piece powder room, which looks like straight out of a winery. You also have access to your garage. Here is your kitchen, but we're gonna save that for later. Come on through to the living and dining room. All of these floors are original wood floors from the barn. They look absolutely amazing. You've got, again, reclaimed beams throughout. Stunning. So this is an absolute showpiece of the home. This is a 20-foot brick fireplace with a gas insert. You've also got 3 big, beautiful, large windows, all newer. Your dining and your main living area, so cozy. Nothing but trees surrounding you. It is absolutely gorgeous. Off of your living and dining, you've also got a large main floor office, which continues the wood floors throughout. Again, big, beautiful windows replaced in 2020. And just as we're coming through into the kitchen here, I just want to stop, take a look at some of the original barn elements. This place is just dripping with character. As well, as you stare back at your foyer, check out the staircase that heads up to the loft with the big chandelier. What a showstopper. So follow me through to the kitchen. So this kitchen has been completely kitted out. There's lots of hidden features. For example, you've got your sub-zero fridge in behind me here. Both of these drawers are also part of the sub-zero fridge. Vegetable drawer, fruits. You've also got your in-counter Wolf deep fryer. You've got the warming drawer down below. 6-burner gas stove. Big, beautiful range hood. Dishwasher, oven and microwave, as well as another sub-zero freezer. We've got a huge, beautiful granite island here. Again, built-in Wolf vegetable steamer. Stunning copper sink here. Behind me, you've got this reclaimed barnwood tea cubby. So much character in this home. I absolutely love it. And of course, you got to have the coffee station. Right off your kitchen, here we have probably my favorite place in the house, and this is the sunroom. They completely rebuilt this. You'll notice the porcelain floors that actually look like wood. In-floor heating, which let me tell you right now feels unbelievable on the feet. Huge windows overlooking your 3.89 acres of land. Direct access outside, which we're going to hit later. Follow me upstairs. Now as we head upstairs here, you'll realize every piece of this home is unique. Beautiful reclaimed wood staircase. You've got rope wrapped around the railings as well as cables. It all ties together beautifully. And this is your primary suite. Check out the big, beautiful bay window surrounded by nature. So we have engineered hardwood flooring throughout here. Nice big custom walk-in closet with lots of character. And the showstopper is the double barn doors with this large chandelier overlooking the brick fireplace downstairs. Where else are you gonna see this? So come on through. We also have the primary ensuite right off the bedroom here. This is another one of my favorite rooms. Unbelievable amount of stonework in here. Soaker tub with 2 skylights. This is immaculate. You'll notice throughout this house that you have sight lines everywhere, nothing but character everywhere. This place is a little moment in time. Exposed brick, reclaimed floors. I absolutely love everything about it. So here we are at one of the 2 Hayloft bedrooms, and these are a really unique feature of this home. Both bedrooms have 2 levels. Kids would absolutely love this. You've also got built-in drawers underneath. What a unique use of space. And then opposite we have another identical room. Again, drawers for closet, and this actually has a walk-in closet as well. And both of these bedrooms share another bathroom, which has been fully renovated. Stunning stonework on the floor. Check out the door. Everything's so unique. Now follow me up to the top story or the loft. Check out the semicircular staircase. I absolutely love it up here. This is a flex space. Could be an additional bedroom for guests, or maybe you've got a teenager that wants their own space. I think art studio, yoga studio. What a view outside with the trees. Absolutely gorgeous. And just before we head back downstairs, we do have another level up here. The ceiling height is a little bit lower, so either a lot of extra storage or think kids play area. Okay, so follow me down to our final destination inside. This is the basement. The basement just underwent a full renovation last year. I love the tartan stairs here. Check out this amazing, big, beautiful space. As I mentioned, it's undergone a complete renovation in 2025. Stonework is original from 1970s when the home was originally converted. You've got a wood burning fireplace, stunning artwork. So below you've got brand new flooring with dry core and a layer of OSB underneath. Brand new wet bar. You've also got your laundry down here, as well as another full bathroom with tons of character. One of my favorite things is the old well pump, which the water actually flows out of. So cool. The shower also doubles as a great dog washing station. And then through the doors here, you've got your utility room. One thing I want to mention in here, which is really important to show off, is the geothermal system. So if you don't know what geothermal is, it actually uses ground source in the earth to heat and cool the home. It is extremely efficient. Prior to installing this unit, the owners said their bill was $1,000 a month just for heat, and now altogether the hydro, which is heat, AC, and the rest of the home on hydro, is just $425 a month. In addition to the geothermal heating and cooling the home, it also heats your hot water tanks. So right outside the sunroom and the kitchen, you've got this beautiful barn beam covered outdoor commercial kitchen. So follow with me here. There's a lot going on. We've got an outdoor fridge, restaurant grade stainless cabinetry, quartz countertops. You've obviously got your prep sink with a garbage, warming drawer, Lynx Pro Searer. You've also got outdoor barbecue here with a gas hookup. All covered, you can enjoy year round. Overlooking your pool, hot tub. Nothing but privacy and serenity. One thing I'll mention while we're out here too, you've also got access through your garage through the backyard. The garage also has access to the main floor through the foyer, as well as a basement entrance through the utility room. So let's go for a little walk. Obviously there's lots of snow here, but behind me you do have a kidney-shaped pool with a 9-foot deep end. It is heated with a newer heater and pump. Like I said, hot tub here as well. You've actually got interlocking stone all the way around the pool. I'm sure we've got some summer shots we can show you. We're just gonna head on over to your second barn. So behind me you have another barn on the property. This is a 20 by 30 barn. It is not finished inside, however it does have hydro. It does have a heated water trough, as well as a chicken coop at the back and a loft space. So this could be refinished into an outdoor bar, a wedding venue. Let your imagination run wild. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching the tour of this beautiful barn conversion home here in Severn, just 15 minutes outside of Orillia, about an hour and a half from Toronto. So if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, ding the little bell so that you're notified of any new content I come out with, and go and follow me on Instagram at Ryan_Megson. So this home is actively for sale on the market. If you are interested in this property, you can take a look in the description. I will leave a link to the full listing, and please feel free to reach out with any questions.